Christina here from GitHub, and this looks like an unassuming office park, but inside is something very, very cool, and that is where we are building the racks for brand new M1 macOS runners. Let's go take a look and see how all this comes together. This is something most people never get a chance to see, and I'm super, super excited. Let's go. This has been a long time coming. I know that people have been wanting the Apple Silicon runners for a long time. Talk to me about why. Why is this so exciting?
These M1 runners are so much faster. Apart from being super fast, our team is working hard behind the lines to reduce the time to bring the latest chipsets and OSs to our customers. Come, let's go check them out. This is our test rack. You can see all these tags, they're being tested before they're ready for production. And then behind us is a finished rack. As you can see, it's on this wooden slab. So it's getting ready to be boxed up and shipped into our data center, where it's pretty much, plug and play and ready to be tested. Yeah, let's go look at the insides of these sleds of the rack. I love it. Yeah, take a look.
He's just going to talk to me about how we go from one of these Mac Minis into a rack like this.
First of all, not very many people in the world do this. Have their own custom Mac racks. It's pretty unique what we're doing here at GitHub.
Love it.
So this is where it starts. Your Mac Mini, you might not be familiar with this.
I haven't seen these at home. I haven't seen these in my closet.
But have you wondered what's on the inside?
That's cool. All these parts, this is just the fan and this is a sensor, Wi-Fi, but this is the actual guts right here.
Yeah, so here are the fans. This is where the power goes. And this is Thunderbolt connecting it. This is a custom networking board that our vendors have built for us, all in that super cool looking sled. And these all go in here, these sleds. You can pop one off, pop it back in, makes it really easy to debug.
And there's 10 of these here.
Exactly. And then 6 of those go in.
6 of those go up here in the rack.
So totally 60 in a rack.
60. Very cool. So by the time we watch this, it's possible that if you're running a GitHub action on a macOS M1 runner, it could be for one of these.
Yeah, your job might literally be running in one of these machines in the sled. Yes.
I love it. Thank you so much.
Of course. Thank you.